The Elton Mayo building, located in UniSA's City West campus, was built in 1997 and, in the most part, is in its original state of construction with only some internal refurbishments. The Adapt Star assessment using the score sheet assesses the potential of sustainability adaptation, and Elton Mayo building received a score of 70.61, giving it a good chance at a successful adaptation or retrofit project. Green Star Credit 2.0 involves the environmental performance targets. Primarily, the target ensures that the building is keeping with sustainability trends. The systems that will be addressed in the report are the mechanical system, lighting and controls, hydraulic systems, electrical systems, and the indoor environment. The main environmental performance targets dealt with in the report are energy and water consumption, as well as quality of indoor environment. The aim is to reduce energy consumption by approximately 30%, with water consumption being reduced up to 20%. Green Star Credit 6.0 involves the Construction Environmental Management Plan. This will allow contractors to assess and identify the risks of construction on the environment and determine ways that they can mitigate these risks. It enables realistic targets and objectives to be established for the works. UniSA provides a range of programs to support their staff well-being, and part of the environmental management plan will involve creating awareness that enables staff to take part in the programs, leading to positive morale, resulting in efficient and productive environment. Green Star Credit 11.0 involves glare reduction. The Elton Mayo building has fixed shading on the northern facade as well as internal window blinds, and this means it achieves an effective shading of 81% of the nominated hours. Green Star Credit 11.1a involves daylight, which is shown to have a positive effect on building occupants' health and productivity. A typical floor of Elton Mayo building is determined to have 63.4% compliant area receiving high levels of daylight. Green Star Credit 11.2 involves views. Studies show experiences with nature improve psychological well-being. The typical floor of Elton Mayo building is determined to have good high-quality views up to 87.1%. Green Star Credit 14b deals with amenity spaces. Quality indoor environments increase productivity and occupant well-being. Although there are already amenity areas present in the courtyard and social and breakout spaces, it's proposed that on level 3 and 5, as well as on level 4, offices and breakout areas are modified to increase these amenity spaces. Green Star requires that breakout spaces are larger than 25 square meters and a total space larger than 5% of the nominated area. All spaces, accessible by all occupants, will promote social interaction amongst the building occupants. Green Star Credit 16A involves greenhouse gas emissions. The aim of the credit is to ensure that lighting, ventilation, air conditioning, hot water systems, IT equipment and other appliances enable the building to perform efficiently. It is proposed that occupancy motion sensors be installed to minimize energy wastage and that the air conditioning system be serviced and recommissioned to increase its efficiency. It is proposed that UniSA purchase a contribution of 50% of green power energy, meaning that a significant portion of the building's energy will come from renewable energy sources. Green Star Credit 18B involves potable water. The aim is to ensure that fixtures and appliances use water efficiently. It is proposed that taps are upgraded from currently delivering 9 litres per minute to taps that are 6-star rated that are able to deliver water at only 3 litres per minute. It is also proposed that toilets and urinals be upgraded, as well as the dishwasher, to a more energy efficient model. This will result in water consumption being lowered by approximately 15 to 20%. Green Star Credit 19 involves the life cycle assessment. The aim is reduction of environmental impacts of building materials and methods of construction for the whole fit out over the entire life cycle of the building. It is proposed that the Elton Mayo Retrofit project could have a total cumulative reduction in the impact categories of 55%. Green Star Credit 22A involves construction waste and demolition. The aim is to keep landfill waste to a minimum. The retrofit will achieve 96% waste diverted from landfill to recycling. The proposed retrofit plans to meet the environmental performance targets in a number of ways. Mechanical systems to be serviced and recommissioned, lighting upgrades, hydraulic systems retrofitted with water efficient fixtures and fittings, building management system, and amenity spaces to be increased in size and location. There will also be changes to the layouts on levels 3, 4 and 5. It's proposed that renewable energy is purchased through the Green Power scheme. Electrical appliances will be replaced with higher efficient models, and construction and demolition waste will be recycled up to 96%. Expected overall savings for energy of up to 30% and water consumption of up to 20%.